After 6 people were killed in the Waukesha Christmas parade, questions swirled around why the man authorities say is responsible was out in the first place.
His $1,000 cash bail was, quote, inappropriately low for an offense or just weeks before. That's according to the Milwaukee County District Attorney.
The I-Team's Sean Gallagher digs deeper into what happened that led to his release and the realities facing the Milwaukee County criminal justice system.
Milwaukee County District Attorney John Chisholm says there is no excuse for what happened to allow Darrell Brooks out on bail, only explanations, pointing to a mounting caseload, leaving prosecutors mere minutes to make life-altering determinations. We spoke with a judge who faced Milwaukee's previous record-breaking year for murder on what's expected of the court system, even in the face of an unprecedented caseload.
No, there's never a margin of error, and that's why when you're doing this job, you have to bring your A game every day.
That's Milwaukee County District Attorney John Chisholm answering for his assistant DA, who made a bail recommendation for Darrell Brooks essentially on the spot, while he says she tried to focus on another felony case headed to trial. It was an ADA with 2 years' experience out of law school, handling hundreds of domestic violence cases, many of them felonies.
We've transitioned 58 prosecutors out of roughly 120. 58 out of 120. These are good people that want to do public service, but they got to be able to afford it. But right. That's not an excuse. I'm not putting that out there. It's just that's the economic reality of working in the Milwaukee County DA's office.
The I-Team looked at the most recent DA roster we could find from 2020 and cross-matched it with the Wisconsin Bar Association online records. We found 30 ADAs on that roster graduated law school in 2016 or later, including the one assigned to Brooks's case. That person was handling close to 300 domestic abuse cases, according to the I-Team's breakdown of online court records. It comes at a time when Milwaukee is experiencing an unprecedented amount of violence. Last year, the city broke the murder record set back in 1991.
This is a system issue right now, and it's only going to get worse. It's only going to get worse. These backlogs are not going to magically disappear.
Is caseload an excuse?
Caseload is not an excuse for a mistake or a misjudgment. It's an explanation of why it may happen, but it's important that each case be handled on its merits.
Justice Janine Geske is a distinguished professor at the Marquette Law School. She was also a circuit court judge in the homicide and sexual assault courtrooms in Milwaukee County the last time that murder record was broken.
When I first started, it used to be when a homicide was being tried, it was a media event. It was such a big deal because we didn't have many homicides. And by the time I left, as I said, there were 3 courts handling homicides and sexual assaults.
She says bail hearings may only last 10 minutes. But it's everyone's job to have the facts in front of them to make the right decisions.
How hard is it to just hyper-focus on each individual case?
It can be, depending on how rushed you are and how many things you have to worry. It's harder sometimes to spend the time on it, but that's the job. That's the oath you take.
The ADA makes the recommendations for bail, but it's up to the judge or court commissioner to formally set it. The court commissioner in the Brooks case who set the $1,000 cash bail is listed as a children's court commissioner on the county's website. But of the 23 domestic abuse cases he's presided over this year where bail was set, 16 were at $1,000 or less, including one signature bond where the defendant isn't required to pay anything.
As a judge, you worry about those things. You worry about them on bail, but you even worry about them more in sentencing.
The court commissioner assigned to the Brooks case has been removed from the felony rotation indefinitely. Meanwhile, some lawmakers have been calling for Governor Evers to remove Chisholm as DA. Reporting for the I-Team, I'm Sean Gallagher.
All right,